Today's topic is the exploration and practice of the Morse code of light. Hello everyone, today we're going to take on the challenge of the Morse code of light. Before we begin, first we have to note that the color we see will be different under different colored lights. For example, here are numbers with 4 different colors: the red 1, green 2, blue 3, black 4. Now cover it with red cellophane. We can see that 1 has disappeared. Next, cover it with green cellophane. We can see that the number 2 has disappeared. Then, cover it with blue cellophane.
我们发
We
现，
found that
随
as
着
we
玻璃
stacked
纸
more
的叠
cellophane,
加，
some numbers
有些
have
数字
disappeared.
不见了。
The materials we have prepared include red, green, blue, and black coloring pen. There are also red, green, and blue cellophanes, as well as A4-sized white paper. The way to set your safe's code. First, write 4 numbers like they show on a digital clock as your code. Then, think about which cellophane would reveal the correct answer if it were placed on it. For example, the code I had in mind was 6347. Use the red cellophane. Let me show you. First, place the red coloring pen on the side we will use it toward the end. Only green, black, and blue pens are left. Write 6347 like they would show up on a digital clock, like this. Now, the digital clock version of the numbers 6347 have been written. And finally, fill up the blank parts with red. It'll be like this once finished. Let's test it by covering it with red cellophane. Once covered, it'll be like this. We can clearly see the number we had just written, 6347. So it is now done. Competition. Here is a set of code. Are there any students who can guess the answer without using cellophane? Whoever answers first wins.